Hi, thank you. Well, let me follow up a bit on that. I mean, there are a lot of economists skeptical that you can reduce inflation as much as you've penciled in without raising the unemployment rate. And I'm wondering just what are the mechanisms you see in reducing demand? I mean, outside housing and autos, how do higher Fed rates reduce consumer demand unless it's through higher unemployment? Thank you.
Well, if you take a look at today's labor market, what you have is 1.7 plus job openings for every unemployed person. So that's a very, very tight labor market, tight to an unhealthy level, I would say. So, in principle, if let's say that our tools work about as you described, and the idea is we're trying to better align demand and supply, let's just say in the labor market. So it would actually, if you were just moving down the number of job openings so that they were more like 1-to-1, you would have less upward pressure on wages. You would have a lot less of a labor shortage, which is going on pretty much across the economy. We're hearing from companies that they can't hire enough people. They're having a hard time hiring. So that's really the thinking there. Is these are fairly well understood channels, interest sensitive, and basically across the economy, we'd like to slow demand so that it's better aligned with supply, give supply at the same time to recover, and get into a better alignment of supply and demand, and that over time should bring inflation down. And I'll say again, though, we don't have a perfect crystal ball about the future, and we're prepared to use our tools as needed to restore price stability. As I mentioned in my opening remarks, without price stability, you really can't have a sustained period of maximum employment. It's one of our most fundamental obligations is to maintain and restore, in this case, price stability. So we're very committed to that. Of course, the plan is to restore price stability while also sustaining a strong labor market. That is our intention, and we believe we can do that. But we have to restore price stability.